Hey, what is going on YouTube? Mike here from Team VRY, and welcome back to another video. With the Google Pixel 6 and Pro on their way, there's a new wave of Pixel goodness to look forward to. In the meantime though, I'm still using the Pixel 4a5G as my daily driver, and I thought that it'd be fun to share a video on the Google devices that have become part of my hardware ecosystem. Now, if you are interested in checking out the devices in this video, I'm going to drop some links in the description below in case you want to purchase some of them. I'm also going to link some of my other videos and reviews here on the channel, so feel free to look around. With all that said, let's get started. Alright, so to start things off, we have here the Google Nest Mini 2nd generation. Simply put, it is a smart speaker that comes with Google Assistant and has been a staple in our household ever since we got it. It's pretty simple to use as you just need the Google Home app to set it up. The Nest Mini not only serves as a Bluetooth speaker for watching movies and listening to music, but I also use it as an alarm clock and, as I just mentioned earlier, a smart assistant. Hey Google, what time is it?
It's 6:09 p.m.
It's got pretty good voice recognition, and I can pretty much ask it to do almost anything that involves setting alarms, making reminders, asking about the weather, asking about random trivia, and so on. It can also integrate with streaming apps like Spotify, and you can play music directly from the speaker without the need for a smartphone. Controls for the Nest Mini are easy as well, as you just tap either side to adjust the volume, and tap the center of the speaker to play or pause your music or movies. It sounds great overall, and it can get really loud with a good bass sound as well. My only complaint so far is that it's not meant to be a portable speaker that you can take along on trips to the beach, for example. It does need to be plugged into a wall adapter and requires a constant internet connection so you can access the smart features. Overall though, as a home speaker with smart functions, this is a very impressive device. Next up, we have the Google Stadia service and the controller. I have been pretty much gaming my entire life up until now, and as much hate as it gets from the online gaming community in general, I do like what Google offers with Stadia. I mean, sure, I still play on my PC, Nintendo Switch, and 3DS, but for someone like me who has little access to high-end gaming hardware, Stadia provides a nice way to try out games that would otherwise require high-end PC or console specs. The controller is probably one of my most favorite pieces of tech here at home, and I can even use it to play on Steam. With that said, however, Stadia isn't perfect. I would like to see more titles added on the store, although it is great to see AAA games like Resident Evil Village, Doom, and even Cyberpunk on the service. Unfortunately, Stadia has taken some hits in its short time of existence, and given Google's track record of killing off unsuccessful projects, I can't help but think about the longevity of this platform. With that said, however, I do enjoy Stadia for what it is at the moment, which in my case is a convenient way to experience AAA games. Alright, so moving on, we have the Pixel Buds A series, which are one of my most favorite wireless earbuds. They're priced below $100 and come with features like fast charging, ambient sound mode, and bass boost to name a few. As far as audio quality goes, the Pixel Buds A series sound good, and they get a lot of the basics right. They also come in a very minimalist design, and I do like the look on these earbuds. They don't come with a stem, so they have a more discreet look to them, and the earbuds can last around 5 hours on a single charge. You can extend battery life with the charging case for a total of 24 hours. On the other hand, there's no active noise cancelling on the earbuds, and other features like touch control customization and wireless charging are sadly not available. But considering the price and the sound quality that you get, I think it's a great addition to my Google hardware setup, and it certainly gets a lot of use during my music sessions. Now, last but not the least, we have the Pixel 4a 5G. I'll be sure to get the new Pixel phones when they finally launch, but for the meantime, the Pixel 4a 5G is my go-to Android phone. It's got good performance thanks to the Snapdragon 765G chipset, as well as Google's camera software. You can take great photos, and as far as camera phones go, this is one impressive device. If you live in a region that doesn't sell the Pixel 5a and are looking for a competent budget Pixel phone, then the 4a 5G is definitely worth checking out. Alright, so you might be thinking about other devices like the Pixelbook Go. As much as I'd like to own one, I'm pretty much in too deep with Microsoft's Windows OS at the moment, and a majority of all the games, software, and tools that I use for work and productivity are accessible through Windows. But I do want to try Chrome OS at some point, so we'll have to wait and see about that one. Alright, so that pretty much does it for this video. If you own any of the devices that we mentioned here, be sure to sound off in the comments below and share your experiences on using them. Guys, we have more Pixel content here on Team VRY. Like I said, I will leave some links in the description if you want to check out these devices. Once again, thanks for watching.